2021 came to a close with several real estate deals worth millions of dollars that put the word metaverse at the tip of the tongue of every investor. And with experts predicting that the metaverse will represent a unique $1 trillion revenue opportunity, the concept looks too good for any investor to overlook. Microsoft's $69 billion acquisition of game developer Activision, the largest to date for Microsoft, is expected to give it enormous exposure to the metaverse. Even Apple CEO Tim Cook said he sees a lot of potential in the metaverse. And it's not only tech companies that are throwing big bucks at the metaverse. Institutional investors like BlackRock are looking for investment opportunities as well. But how can the average investor participate in the early stages of this new technology? How can you invest and make money from the metaverse? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, I will focus on the best ways to invest and make money from the metaverse. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Before we jump right to how you can boost your portfolio with some metaverse investment techniques, let's have a short recap of what exactly the metaverse is. In 1992, a writer Neal Stephenson released his third novel, titled Snow Crash. In it, Stephenson characterizes interaction in a completely digital environment where appearances can be changed on a whim. You can travel from one location in the world to another without the need for a plane. Take a walk in the park without actually physically being in the park. And digital real estate is just as valuable as its real-life counterpart. Stephenson called his digital environment the metaverse. 30 years later, public companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, like the Decentraland Foundation, have been working to make the metaverse a profitable reality. That has opened up entirely new revenue opportunities for retail investors, gamers, digital collectors, and developers. It's important to note, however, that the metaverse is still in its infancy and its value proposition has yet to be proven. Any investment in the metaverse should be considered speculative and highly risky. Regardless, there are 3 easy ways to invest and make money in the metaverse. How to invest in the metaverse. 1. Metaverse stocks. The least volatile option for retail investors seeking to buy into metaverse is to invest in publicly traded companies whose business models or profitability are tied to the metaverse. When looking for stock options, there are many to go for. The list includes Meta Platforms Inc. In October, Mark Zuckerberg announced a company formerly known as Facebook Inc. would undergo a major rebranding and become Meta Platforms Inc. Since the announcement, Meta has released a virtual reality metaverse platform, Horizon Worlds. Meta's Oculus Quest 2 VR headsets was also one of the hottest gifts over the holidays. It remains to be seen, however, if increased headset sales will result in more Horizon World users. Roblox. Roblox is an online metaverse platform that allows gamers to create and share virtual worlds with other Roblox users. Roblox has grown rapidly since its inception in 2006, with 9.5 million independent developers, 24 million unique digital experiences, and 49.4 million daily active users, up 35% year-over-year. Still, despite those numbers, the company has yet to turn a profit. Boeing. Boeing is using the metaverse to expand and improve production capabilities. In an interview with Reuters, Greg Hislop, Boeing's chief engineer, said that the plane maker is planning to create a proprietary digital environment where its human, computer, and robot employees can communicate and collaborate seamlessly across the world. Microsoft is looking to find its metaverse niche in the professional world. The company plans to release Mesh for Microsoft Teams in 2022. The add-on to the popular video conferencing platform will allow individuals to generate and collaborate in a holographic 3D environment that transcends geographic boundaries. A key feature of Microsoft Mesh will be holoportation, which is a tool that allows users to access the previously mentioned digital environment with a VR headset. The user appears like a digital lifelike representation of themselves with the ability to interact with the team members as if they were in person. These and many more investments in the concept of the metaverse make Microsoft a great option for any investor looking for a potential gain. 2. Metaverse land. The race is on to stake as much virtual land as possible, and companies are spending millions to claim their share. Pavia, an NFT project with 100,000 parcels of land, has already sold more than 60% of its lots. It's based on the Cardano blockchain and has a strong community of over 8,700 unique NFT landowners. Another popular project is Decentraland Mana. Currently, nearly 7,000 wallet addresses are holding approximately 36 million mana. As the crypto market rebounds from its latest dip, Decentraland is gaining a lot of interest with institutional money and celebrities alike. Buying virtual land is still in its Wild West days, so there is risk involved. However, platforms like The Sandbox and Decentraland have already begun selling digital real estate in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, digital tokens on blockchain networks that can represent a wide range of unique items. When an individual purchases a piece of metaverse land, the blockchain network powering the metaverse platform verifies the sale and transfer of ownership. Once the virtual real estate is purchased, the owner of the metaverse land NFT can rent, sell, or build on his digital property. Japanese video game maker Atari recently purchased 20 parcels of digital land in Decentraland and created its very own crypto casino. Using its own native ERC20-based Atari token, gamblers can place bets and receive winnings in crypto tax-free. Atari has also announced plans to launch its own virtual hotel complex in 2022. 3. Metaverse Crypto. With cryptocurrencies as the main form of payment inside the metaverse, investors can gain exposure to the virtual world this way. Blockchain and NFTs will verify ownership and act as contracts for everything from virtual land to concert tickets. Mana token has a market cap of $4.7 billion and at the time of making this video is trading for $2.59. As said, it is one of the more popular projects and is built on the Ethereum network. Metaverse projects on blockchain networks are powered by fungible tokens, tokens that are divisible and can be mutually exchanged. These tokens are used to purchase digital assets like virtual land or outfits for avatars. They can also be traded for other crypto or fiat currencies. Certain metaverse cryptocurrencies also allow their owners to vote on decisions within a metaverse platform, such as where money should be invested or which new feature to release first. Theoretically, as the value of the digital asset rise, so will the value of their associated tokens. Furthermore, some metaverse platforms like Decentraland burn all mana tokens used to purchase digital assets, removing them permanently from circulation and increasing the value of the remaining tokens. Unlike Decentraland's mana, which is used to purchase digital goods and services, Axie Infinity's AXS token is a governance token. It is another metaverse crypto that is buzzing at the moment. Those who own AXS will be able to vote on proposed decisions that will affect the Axie Infinity ecosystem, including how funds in the community treasury are spent. There are future plans to modify the AXS token so that it can be used to purchase digital goods and services on Axie Infinity. Axie has one of the largest market caps of all metaverse cryptos, coming in at over $2.9 billion. Another notable metaverse token is the Sandbox, SAND, with a market cap that stands at $3.2 billion. These are just a few of the biggest metaverse cryptos that are currently shaking the metaverse. Since crypto will play a vital role in the metaverse economy, investing into high-yield metaverse tokens is one of the best ways to make profits off the metaverse. Keep in mind that these options are inherently risky and should be considered a speculative investment. As a general rule, it's advisable to never invest more than you are willing to lose. Companies heavily invested in the metaverse are spending millions of dollars convincing consumers that the dawn of the metaverse is upon us. But will it usher in an era of mass adoption and barrier-free digital interaction, or will it be a niche product, reserved for gamers and future tech enthusiasts? Only time will tell. For now, retail investors interested in the metaverse should explore these platforms and consider the metaverse's future value for themselves. Do you think there are more ways to invest in the metaverse that we missed? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.